So these are the voice lines for Cure Fresh, and sorry for this, but I'm recording with my tablet, and the sounds are super low quality because I don't know why. Because this is my new modern tablet, so yeah, here you go. Hey Mirror. So true. What you talking about? I just want peace, dude. Oh, stop! Help! I seriously need more lines. Up. Looks like someone forgot to take their medication. Not all of us are objects. We've got Peter, Intruder, and William. About that medication. Stop breaking the fourth wall! No. Ah! Stop breaking the fourth wall! No! Wow, you're so smart. Mind if me and Clark joins this team? I didn't hear you. Clark did. Don't look at Clark like that!